Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a system administrator or working in technical support, you already know the networking landscape is fundamentally shifting right under our feet. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive 8-part tutorial series specifically designed around one of the most critical shifts you are going to face, IPv6 troubleshooting. Let's take a look at how this incredibly useful resource is built from the ground up to guarantee your success.
Now, tell me if this sounds familiar. Have you ever just stared at a dense technical manual feeling completely lost until a colleague leaned over and explained the exact same concept using just a slightly different analogy? And boom, suddenly it makes perfect sense. Well, that aha moment isn't an accident. It actually happens all the time for adult learners who are grappling with really new, intimidating information.
All right, here is our roadmap for today. 1. Welcome to the transition. 2. How adult learners succeed. 3. Power of multiple perspectives. 4. Your 8-part tutorial roadmap. And finally, 5. The alternate YouTube playlist.
Let's kick things off with Section 1. Welcome to the transition, moving beyond IPv4.
So, you likely already work extensively with IPv4 networks, right? You know the subnets, you know the quirks, and you've got years of muscle memory built right around them. But now you're being tasked with this massive leap, helping your organizations transition to and essentially troubleshoot complex IPv6 networks, all without disrupting daily operations. I know, from the outside, it looks incredibly daunting.
But that is exactly where Virtualization Options LLC comes in. They're a technology, research, education, and advisory company based right out of Colorado, and they created this specific series to act as a bridge. They truly understand the daily trenches of IT support, and they tailored this content specifically to get you and your organization safely over that hurdle from IPv4 to IPv6.
Moving right along to Section 2, How Adult Learners Succeed, the Psychology of Learning.
Look, struggling with a massive protocol shift at first, it is completely normal. Think about how we actually learn. Step 1 is encountering that confusing concept, which, let's be real, happens constantly with IPv6. Step 2 is seeing it explained differently. And then Step 3 is that incredible breakthrough light bulb moment where it finally just clicks. This series is built to intentionally trigger that second step over and over again.
We definitely aren't just looking at abstract theory here. As the creators clearly highlight, real-world examples help make lessons relevant and much easier to apply at work. You don't have the time to sit around memorizing academic definitions. You need to know how to fix a failing router at 2 in the morning.
And grounding these lessons in reality, that's really the secret key to remembering the main ideas. When you can associate a complex IPv6 subnetting concept with a practical troubleshooting ticket that you might actually see pop up in your queue, your brain holds onto it. It takes those intimidating hexadecimal addresses and transforms them from an abstract nightmare into a totally solvable logical puzzle.
Which brings us to Section 3, Power of Multiple Perspectives, Breaking Down Complexity.
Let's be honest, IPv6 is undeniably complex, and everyone tuning in has widely different backgrounds and varying levels of experience. Because of that, this tutorial deliberately explains key ideas more than once, and it uses a wide variety of examples. Basically, if one explanation just doesn't resonate with your specific IT background, the next one absolutely will.
Seeing these topics from all those different perspectives is what helps you genuinely understand and remember them. This multi-angled approach builds a rock-solid foundation, making sure the advanced troubleshooting modules later in the course actually feel easy to follow, rather than feeling like you're trying to translate a foreign language.
Okay, on to Section 4, your 8-part tutorial roadmap, the path forward.
To keep this massive transition completely manageable and highly focused, this explainer series is broken down into exactly 8 comprehensive parts. No massive, unstructured data dumps here, just 8 clear, targeted steps. And the beauty of it is that each module logically layers right on top of the next. Because of those strong foundational concepts you establish early on, conquering these 8 sequential modules becomes a highly logical and, honestly, rewarding process. It's carefully curated for systems administrators who need practical knowledge that builds on itself. Finally, let's look at Section 5, the alternate YouTube playlist, expanding your knowledge.
So there is this absolutely incredible supplementary resource waiting for you alongside the main course. While the main 8-part course delivers all your core concepts and foundational examples, there's also an alternate YouTube playlist that serves as a parallel track to give you entirely different perspectives.
This playlist actually contains alternate versions of each of the 8 modules.
Now, even though they cover the same core material, they are entirely unique. They contain material you literally won't find in the main explainers, and they explain the subjects from completely different angles. It basically acts as the perfect safety net, ready to catch anyone who still feels a bit stuck on a particular concept.
So you've got the roadmap, you understand the psychology of how we're tackling this complexity together, and you have those alternate resources on standby. The comfortable world of IPv4 is shrinking rapidly, that's for sure. The real question is, are you ready to stop thinking in IPv4 and start mastering your troubleshooting in IPv6? Let's get to work.